What's up, Visuals fam, and happy holidays to all of you out there. So welcome back to another video, and what will basically be me thanking all of you for being so amazing, probably about 100 times, and also a little bit of self-deprecation as well, as we take a look at a few of my old videos and see how I started on this road to over 20k subscribers. Oh, and also there may or may not be a giveaway announcement in this video, so pay attention. Let's go. Alright everyone, so if you were able to tune into my 20k stream, first of all, thank you. There's thank you number one, for being there and celebrating this milestone with me. If you already saw that, I've probably seen a lot of this already, but if you were not able to make it, I think you'll really like what we did there on the stream. So I started things off by going through a few of the milestones and accomplishment that we did here as a channel and the things that we hit. So go ahead and check these out.
Okay, so here we are. So they sent out this email. They did this last year too, but it's a little bit different this year. So here's my year in review right here. So basically, I'm just gonna go over this with you guys because I think it's freaking amazing. You guys did so awesome as part of the community here. So basically, it says 2020 went off script, but it did. But didn't stop from the YouTube gaming community from hitting 100 billion watch hours. That's the YouTube community as a whole. And then yeah. I guess I streamed for almost 14,000 minutes to you guys. And this year was honestly the first year that I really got into streaming on the channel. So I just wanted to thank you guys for actually tuning in. I know like in the beginning, it wasn't, I would get like 1 to 2 viewers. And I mean, I still have small streams, you guys, but I was even talking to my girlfriend about this. I don't mind it because I get to actually talk to you guys all the time. Yeah, so I mean, all-time highlights. Here we go. So it looks like, so when I actually created the channel, that was like a bunch of years ago, but that's not really correct. When I actually started posting videos, from your first video upload, now your fans have smashed that like button. You guys have smashed the like button over 62,000 times. Like, are you kidding me? Jesus. Yeah, you guys are nuts. Like, that's crazy. That's a big number. All right, big number for me. And then what's this next one? So you guys have also commented. You guys have almost commented on my videos 30,000 times. Good Lord. And I shared my content, and oh, you guys shared my content almost 87,000 times. Good Lord. You guys, just enough. Stop it. I'm just kidding. Don't stop it. But Calamity, Mr. Clever, thank you so much, you guys. I appreciate it. But yeah, let's keep on going here. Let's read this stuff. So let's see. So in 2020, this is the craziest part, you guys. Starting out in 2020. So this is still going up, obviously. This email went out like 8 days ago. So this has gone up even more. But we gained this many subscribers this year. Just look at that again. The year before, do you want to know how many subscribers I gained? I'm pretty sure it was like 4,000. That was it. Maybe 4 or 5 in an entire year. This year, we almost gained 15,000 subscribers in a year. It's going to be about 15,000 subscribers by the end of the year. That is insane in 1 year, you guys. I just can't thank you guys enough. That's crazy. Just freaking crazy, man. So yeah, live stream minutes, almost 12,500 live stream minutes. Crazy. And it's only going to go up because I love live streaming and hanging out with you guys. So that's just going to keep going up. And then, so this is something that I'm very proud of for myself. It looks like I actually responded to about 5,400 comments, which, you guys, it takes a lot of time to do that. So that is something I am personally proud of, that I will only continue to keep doing, because I feel like the engagement with you guys is really what keeps the channel driving and keeps it going. So that's not going to stop. I still get people saying all the time, like, oh, I cannot believe that you answered my comment and all that kind of stuff. And no, like, not at all, you guys. Like, I'm going to do everything I can to keep answering your comments, no matter how many I get. So you guys, you'll see a lot of things here. But what I want you to look at is this number right here. That is how many videos to date we have added in 2020. Just this year. And it's still going up. So by the end of the year, I'm going to have over 200 videos. And this is just videos, you guys. This is not including my online streaming content that I've added for the channel. I've posted almost 200 videos this year. Unreal. That is something that I am personally proud of. Just a humble brag. I just think that I accomplished that for myself and for you guys because I see the traction and I see the interaction from you guys, and I think it's just amazing that you guys keep coming back to watch the videos. So I just want to keep making more. So yeah, just freaking amazing, you guys.
And then I asked all of you if you guys wanted to see me react to one of my very first tech videos, like one of my very first ones that I ever posted. And of course, that question got an overwhelming yes from all of you guys in the chat.
I'm gonna ask you guys, would you guys want to do this? Do you guys want to watch? Do you guys want to watch and see me react to like one of my first tech videos right now? Why not? Do you guys want to actually see one and see how terrible they are?
So I decided to join in on making fun of my humble beginnings out there with all of you guys in the chat, and I think we actually had a lot of fun doing it. I certainly did. I had a lot of fun laughing at myself. So here's some fun highlights from that. And this is gonna be my first actual build video. This is not my first build. I actually have already built a couple of computers for my family, and I've built my own gaming rig, which I don't know if you can see it right now, but I'll show it later. So I've done that before.
It's so
but,
bad. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. Let me stop it right there. Okay, yes. This is GoPro footage. I didn't know a thing about lighting. Didn't know a thing about actually getting proper footage. I just put a camera there and started recording. Okay, anyway, let's keep going.
I decided I wanted to build an HTPC. So that's what this build's gonna be for. I'm going to give you. Is this
an HD too? Yeah. By the way, this is in highest quality as we can get.
And once I actually get everything, I don't have, obviously, to keep the price down.
This is all I could afford in college, you guys. This is all I could afford.
I know it's not the top of the line APU, but obviously for this build, I wasn't really looking for that. I was looking for something that is efficient and would get the job done. And I've read many reviews that this does great for an HTPC. So
I was actually in a house at this point. This is a house that I lived in.
It came with,
like, how can you have a YouTube studio without RGB in the room?
Well, I'll get back to you on that.
Look at this. I didn't even know what the hell it was.
It's a 3.8 gigahertz max
turbo. My god.
I believe the base is 3.
Okay. This is literally something that I cringe at when I watch other people's videos now. Is like, I'm sitting here like looking at the box for this APU real quick, and I'm just reading what it does. Like, I'm not doing anything that like gives you any substance or any information on what it is. I'm literally doing something that you guys could have done yourself. Like, this is the stuff I'm talking about. That these are the mistakes you make when you first start making videos. Oh, it has this, and I guess it does this, and like, come on, man. All right, anyway, let me fast forward a little bit. Let me see. So basically, this entire video is just me doing this.
It just, comes with the usual stuff,
It just comes with the usual stuff. Quote that. Quote Ricky Arnold, 2013. It just comes with the usual stuff, guys. Now, let me address a few things in the room. Let's go ahead and just make fun of me more. Obviously, I'm in a frat. Yep. There's my fraternity thingy right there. There's all my shot glasses. I obviously was into old Milwaukee for whatever reason. Don't even remember why. Still have crap all over my floor. And there's my hockey shrine. There it is. Do I even live pro?
Core 1000 because it's
okay. Listen to this song. Tell me if you guys think this is any good. Just wait for it. And I couldn't even get speed ramping correct. I couldn't even get fast forwarding correct. It's obviously still too slow. Oh my god, I might. Is anybody just like cringed out yet? Look, I even moved the camera. Oh my god, wow. Listen to this song. Hold on, let me turn this down, it's so loud. Oh my god, we should just do some voiceover for it right now too. Here I am taking out the processor. Here it is. Yep, that's what it looks like. You can't tell though because I showed it for 5 seconds and my camera's terrible. Yep. Oh, there's something there, but you can't see it once again. Yep. Let's see if I put this in right. Oh, at least I get it right. Nice, there we go. Oh, yep, the camera's not right. Oh god, here we go. Oh man. Yep. Yep. Back on the tripod. Oh, I hate that when people do that. Oh man. At least, I mean, at least I'm getting the build correct. Like I'm not screwing anything up. This is all right. Oh, it's so terrible. Look at this. I'm like, I didn't even cut anything. Like I'm sitting here looking like, oh, where should I put this? Oh, wait a minute. No, not there yet. No, maybe there. Is that it? Nope, that's not it. Nope. Long pauses of, I think I got it. Okay, that's right. Okay, let me sit down. Maybe that'll help. Okay, I got it. Let me try to pick it up now. Okay. All right, that'll help. No. Oh my god. Hold on. There we go.
And now after all that silliness, we decided to play some Call of Duty, of course, and have some really fun games. And I think we had a really good time.
Inside. No fucking way.
Kill yourself.
Good.
Whoa! What the
We are cracked out. Let's go.
Anyway, you guys, I just wanted to make this video mainly to make sure that I get a chance to tell all of you out there Merry Christmas, as we say here in the States where I live, and Happy Holidays to everyone else out there in the world that may celebrate other holidays. I hope you guys are having a very happy time and celebrating with those closest to you in your own way and are having a very positive season. And to add to that positivity and bring some of that over here to the channel, I'm going to give all of you a challenge. So I challenge all of you out there to get us to 25,000 subscribers as fast as possible. Now, I don't care. It doesn't matter how long it takes or how this gets done. But as soon as that number is hit, I will be giving away this super cool Wilmir K66 mechanical keyboard with linear red switches in there. Yeah, I'll be giving it away to one of you. So basically, as soon as we hit that quarter number of 100,000 subs, I will be getting this giveaway started and all of you will have a chance to enter. Yes, that means this one will be international, and I'm aware of the state of the world right now, but yeah, if you guys are in a country where shipping is kind of a pain, don't you worry, we'll figure it out. So make sure you guys go ahead and get subscribed with those notifications on so you don't miss it. And I don't care, make sure your friends, your family, your dog, your cat, your lizard freaking subscribes to the channel so we can get to that 25K number as quick as possible. But anyway, that'll be it for this one, fam. And once again, do not forget to subscribe so we can get this thing going, and have a happy holidays out there. And I'm sending all my positive vibes out to every one of you guys. So take care, and I'll see you guys next time. Later.